Here's a fun project for those that are just learning how to draw, a lesson for a cute duck. It's got a simple side view of the body and an adorable face. Follow along with me and I'll show you how easy it is to draw. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. You only need a few supplies for this project, just a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and a few crayons. There's also a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. As always, I like to start my drawing with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They're also on all my tutorials, and they really help you use the entire sheet of paper. Let's begin by making marks for how wide that wing is going to be. When you have those in place, then start on the left and go down to make a large curve, and then go up to the right to end with a point. And make sure you have that top straight line too. The duck head comes next. It's going to be this tall, so start at the top and draw a large curve down to meet the top of that wing. Then go back up and draw a curve to the left, almost like making a large number 9, but stopping before you connect it. To draw the chest, go back to the neck and draw a nice large curve to the left and go down, and then stop, as we're going to add a waterline here in a moment. Now we can add that wavy waterline all across the page from one side to the other. This will make the duck look like it's sitting in the water and not just on top of it. Now we can add that wavy waterline all across the page from one side to the other. This will make the duck look like it's sitting in the water and not just on top of it. The duck beak is added next. It's pretty big, almost as wide as the head. Make sure it curves up a bit and has a line inside that kind of looks like a smile to me. That cute eye has a few shapes to it, so let's start with a nice round circle. It's about as big as a quarter or so. Then another circle is added inside. It can be to the right, so it's touching that side. And then finish that eye with another smaller circle inside for the black pupil. And then add a half circle, which is going to be that white shiny spot. Now for the details that make this look like a mallard duck. Add 2 curved lines on the chest and draw 2 curved lines on the belly so we can separate colors there too. Let's finish with some simple feather lines on that wing. Do feel free to draw whatever background you want. I'm going to add a cloud and a sun because I have some extra room here. Alright, my pencil drawing is done, but I want my lines to show up really well, so I'm going to trace them all with a black marker. Do work slowly so that you can stay on top of those pencil lines as best you can. Now, before any crayon color goes down, we need to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. The best tool to color in that black spot in the eye is probably your black marker. Then, if you are drawing a mallard duck, the head needs to be green. Those 2 sections of feathers are going to be brown, as well as that eye color. I'm using a light yellow for the beak and the sun. The wing and belly need to be a kind of light brown or gray. I found a silver crayon that works pretty well. The water needs to be one shade of blue. Mine is kind of a dark blue. And I want my sky to be a little different, so I'm filling it in light blue. So there is our finished duck drawing. I think those few extra details make it look like a real one, and a big cute eye is always fun to draw too. If you visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you can find more animal drawing projects, including one for a chameleon and an owl. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Hey, if you enjoyed this lesson, then please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps other people find these videos too.